Hello, and welcome back to your second training session here at Fredbear's. This session is designated for suited walk-around performers. If this is not the position you had applied for, please inform your on-site trainer now to get you into the correct session. One of our most important attractions here at Fredbear's is our immersive off-stage shows, whether for a birthday or interacting with customers. These times make Fredbear's that much more of a place of wonder. To begin, make sure you know where the tools needed are within your location. Hand crank systems should be hung neatly on the wall, and a written manual should be found on a wall-mounted organizer. Every location has two animatronic costume hybrids, Fredbear Fazbear and Bonnie Bounder. These characters are built with special systems to allow the character to be used as both an on-stage animatronic and a wearable walk-around costume, making the need for separate costumes obsolete. To change the character between these modes, insert the hand crank into the sockets on the back of the character and turn either clockwise to rewind or counterclockwise to unwind. Once a clicking sound is heard, the crank can be taken out. Both characters have 15 sockets in total. 2 for the feet, ankles, thighs, arms, forearms, and hands, and 1 for the head, torso, and pelvis. The sockets are located near the bending points of the character. Each must be wound for proper usage. We'll start with how to put on a costume. To not damage integral parts of the character, the pieces must be taken off in this order. First is the headpiece, then the hands, forearms, and arms. Next, we'll move down to the feet, shins, thighs, pelvis, and finally the torso. Now that every piece has been unwound, the suit can now be worn. To properly suit up, perform the previous steps in reverse. Remember, when either putting on or taking off a costume, always make sure to have a coworker help affix the costume and make sure everything looks correct before re-entering the show area. Now, you're ready to re-enter the show area and put on a show. Remember, when outside of the costume safe room, always know where the show coordinator is and to stay within the same area as they are. The show coordinator is responsible in making sure every event goes to plan and to prevent injury whilst wearing the costume. Every coordinator has access to a remote